afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John, and I'm the director here at R&D. What's my job?
I'm the director of R&D
Yeah.
at Intelligent Concrete.
Director of R&D here at Intelligent Concrete, where we specialize in a lot of things to include answering all your concrete questions, concrete concerns. So it's Q&A Wednesday, and we've got a question from Baha Salman. When you design a concrete mix for construction work, and you need to make a trial mix in the lab to check the concrete properties, what kind of adjustments do you make for the mix, laboratory adjustments? Baha Salman, what we do is we stick to ASTMC 192, which requires you do a butter mix, somewhere around a certain portion of what you're doing for the mix, and it butters up the mixer so you're not losing any of the paste, or the paste that you will lose is already in the mixer when you're doing the mix. So that's one adjustment. What we do sometimes is based on our clients' needs. We will change the mixer type and also the time that the material is in the mixer. And we do that because there's sometimes requirements that we need to change things up. Like sometimes our clients don't have 10 minutes, or a 3-minute mix, a 3-minute rest, and then a 2-minute mix. They have 2.5 minutes in the mixer. So those are certain things that we have to take into account. But really, when we do that technical transfer from the lab to the field, sometimes we might have to adjust to meet the fresh concrete properties, and then more importantly, the hardened properties. There is a difference, and it depends on who we're going to, whether you're doing a central plant mixer or dry batch plant. But oftentimes, it might be adding just a skosh bit more water, maybe a little bit more chemical admixtures, maybe taking both of those out, or sometimes worst case scenario, adding a little bit more of the binder matrix, because we are losing a little bit of paste to the drum itself. So some of those things that we consider, there's always a big transition when you go from the field or from the lab to the field. Let us know if you have any other concrete questions, concrete concerns. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go concrete!
Beat asphalt!